Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe someone on Videoleap. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you open up the Videoleap application and sign into your account, you will be shown various videos that have been made using this application. If you like the content that is created by someone, you can simply tap on their profile, and when you open up their profile, you will find the follow button. You can simply tap on it to subscribe to this person, and now you will be added as their subscriber. In case you want to unsubscribe or unfollow, you can simply tap on the unfollow button, and now you will no longer follow or subscribe to this person. You can use the subscribe or follow feature to follow creators whose content you would want to see in the future. And you can do this for any user of the Videoleap application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to unsubscribe on Videoleap. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.